Students, we are in the butterfly park at Velalur Lake. Are you all excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students, shall we move inside?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, look! They're at the entrance.
How big the butterfly is.
Yes, it looks beautiful. It's not a real one. It's a butterfly model.
Yes, students, Tamil Yeoman is our state butterfly.
I love this Tamil Yeoman butterfly model.
Okay, students, very good. Shall we get inside the park and explore the park now?
Yes, ma'am. Wow, many butterflies are fluttering in the park. Yes, you can spot dark blue tigers, common roses butterflies. How do you know all these names? I read an article about this park last week. This park was initiated by KKPAT, which actually worked for 351 weeks and created a Miyawaki forest with 10,000 native trees. That's dedication and sounds great. My father told me that there are 100 species of butterflies are spotted in this park. What do you mean by 100 species of butterflies? 100 species of butterflies means 100 kinds of butterflies. This is a beautiful sight.
Look there, students. There are many butterflies fluttering in this park.
Ma'am, what is that butterfly called, ma'am?
That is called blue tiger butterfly. Nearby, see, there are also other butterflies. All the butterflies are fluttering in this park.
That's interesting, ma'am. The butterflies are look very beautiful.
Yes, they look very beautiful in this park.
Do butterflies eat and sleep like us?
Yes, they rest at night under leaves or branches, but they don't sleep like us. They suck nectar from the flowers. Flowers give food to butterflies.
This butterfly park is a green zone. Yes, it is full of trees, creeper and flowering plants.
Yes, the park is full of flowering plants, creepers and trees.
What are the trees here, ma'am?
Neem tree, banyan tree, bamboo tree, gooseberry tree. There are many types of trees in this Velalur park. Even some flowering plants are planted here only to attract butterflies. Curry leaves for common Mormons, lemons for lime butterflies and ranatili for red pirates.
Look at the colorful flowers.
Yes, look there.
Cosmos, amaranthus, pentas, zinnia, butterfly weed. Look wonderful, ma'am.
Yes, they look very wonderful in this park.
Yes, ma'am.
Can anyone tell me the different stages of a butterfly?
First, eggs.
Eggs become caterpillars.
Caterpillars turn into pupae and finally become butterflies.
Excellent. This is the life cycle of a butterfly.
This park is very beautiful. Sounds great, ma'am. Can we come here again?
Yes, you can visit with your family.
Can we keep butterfly as a pet at home?
Yes, you can grow flowering plants to attract butterflies. You can watch them happily without catching or keeping as a pet.
Yes, ma'am. We will do it.
Did you all enjoy today, dear students?
Yes, ma'am. We saw many butterflies. It was a fun day.
I have decided to grow plants, ma'am.
Really great. grow plants, attract butterflies, and connect with nature always.
Butterflies make nature beautiful.